Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we will learn about some basic concepts of the Newton's laws of motion. The question is the 500 kg load on the hydraulic lift is shown in the figure. It is to be raised by an pouring oil. The density is given as 780 kg per meter cube. We have to determine what should be the height edge in order to begin to raise the weight. So first of all, we'll determine the cross-sectional area of the piston or the hydraulic cylinder. That will be equal to pi by 4 d square, which is equals to pi by 4 multiplied by 1.2 meters square, that is 1.13 meters square. Now the pressure should be equal to the force divided by the cross sectional area, and the force is the gravitational force divided by the cross sectional area. This pressure should be equal to the pressure in the fluid, and the pressure in the fluid will be rho gh, right? So this is the pressure which is required to raise the weight, and this is the pressure that should be due to fluid, right? So let us equate these two. We get 500 multiplied by 9.8 divided by 1.13 equals to 780 multiplied by 9.8 into h. So the h height comes out to be 56.567 meter, or equals to 56.7 centimeters. Thank you.